morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning to everybody on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Buy, stop. Oh my goodness, come on now. US 35 second. Here we go. Let's get our first alerts going. Let's go to YM. Buy, stop. 5 seconds. Look at this shit. Where's my holdings yet? Buy, stop. 5 second. NAS. Buy, stop. 5 second. NQ.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Buy, stop. SPX 500. 5 second. Let me see something right here. I might be able to call a selfie for you guys. Yeah. Yes, one sell stop to the 1 second blue line. Let me relook at these. Maybe we can get a couple sells for you. Sell to the 1 second blue line. There you go. ES1, take profit for that. What? Oh, come on. I missed it. 1 second. So 1 second sell stop to the 5 second blue line. Why am I not seeing goddamn fucking alerts? Because of the titles? Oh my God, they're killing me. Are you fucking kidding me? Pile of shit. God dang. I'm going to move this one. If you don't hit that thumbs up like button, it's going to be a real short day. Sell stop to the 1 second blue line, all indices. NAS. 1 second sell stop. 5 second sell stop. Oh, good. I get to get some sells for you guys. Never play the sells. You guys do what you want. I never play the sells. As you guys know, never, ever, clever, ever. And then we'll get them going down. And we'll get them going up. There we go. Now, okay, we're set up for the buys. We're set up for the sells. But ultimately, all that matters is a 1 hour buy stop to the US 36-minute blue line. That's all that matters. You guys hear it? You hear it? You guys hear it? Thank you. We're all going to flip. All of these. See, all 1 second buy stops are hit. Sells are hit. Sell stop in the 10 second blue line. All in the see. Look, there they go. There they go. See them all turn that? Watch the combination, and they all do. Mine all out. The guys here is your wall. Look at this. Look at it all change, and then ultimately, this is what it does today. We need to look at Microsoft and stuff today. Yeah, anyway, we'll get to all that. Good morning, everybody. Please hit the thumbs up so I don't have to close this feed down. Please hit the thumbs up so I do not have to close this feed down. I want to stay on YouTube. I don't want to be just on TikTok. But yesterday I had to, and I'll do it again today if I have to. I don't want to do it, but you guys can't even give me thumbs up. I'm not sticking around. Gots to go, peeps. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 uh-oh. Got to do payroll. Fuck. I wish I could just do that at night, but whatever. Payroll. Da, 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 da. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Good morning to you all. Hope you guys are already making some money. Demo money, demo money.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Someone said something about awkward silences. Like I care. Hit the thumbs up button. Happy May 1st. Maybe. What's funny? Maybe even a better month than any month you've had this entire year. I beg God's blessing so that He gives each and every one of us health, happiness, especially health, happiness, and great relationships. Thank you, God, for everything. We love you. Amen. Now, payroll. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me go to pilot client file. Whatever. All right, payroll done. Oh yeah. Mm, mm, mm. And we're live over there. Let's see. Oh, it fell. Next up, 15 seconds. 15. There you go. That just fell. Next up, stops to be 30-second blue lines, all indices. Da, 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 da. Look at it go. But was it Microsoft earnings good? People in this world. People in this world. Hi ho the Mario. Clueless traders in this world.
Emotionally, I am not a financial advisor.
Never play the cells. Only play. There you go. This is what my call out was last night. Let's all read it together. All indices, SPX, NAS, US 30, YM1, EF, NQ1, all sell stops starting with the 1 second, just did them all. The blue lines going through the 15 minutes will happen by 9:30 a.m. unless hard up. I wouldn't touch these. Then buy stops to US 30, 60-minute blue favorite, 12-hour daily buy stop, sell stop I would not touch. This is where they're going to crush. Let me be clear on this. They will crush Trump for this, the same, then weekly buy stops. Trump better be saying some huge prayers that the system skips over that daily 12-hour daily sell. Then weekly buy stops I love and would very much touch. Oh, I said I wouldn't touch. That's funny. I even make myself think sometimes. Now, I said this would be sell stops before 9:30 a.m. Let's see, it's 7:30 a.m. Let's see where we're at. All flipping over to red as called out. How did I know that would happen yesterday? That's like hours before it happened. Yet it's happening. The system, baby. The system. That's how I know. I gotta say good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. What's up, Ace Bullet? What's up, Lazarus? What? Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you, Ace Bullet, for all those likes. I appreciate you, sir. Good morning. I don't know. I'm sure I'm missing people here. But good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Mike Lewis. What's up, Chloe? Sorry, I called you Michelle yesterday. My bad. Good morning, Old School Mick. And Lazarus and Ace Bullet. Thank you all very, very much for being on TikTok. Let me turn off that light. TikTok. Oh, yeah, baby. TikTok, baby. TikTok. Now, I think John Park's number one. Let's go over here and take a look at, oh shit, we're in a hyperloop. So I can't do it. Let me see. It's still a little bit of a hyperloop. Good morning, John Parker. What's up, John? Good morning, John. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Good morning, Lachey. Hey, Big, where you been? Good morning, Big. Good morning, Louis Ramos. Morning and blessed morning. I know I was already saying it. Orlando Walters. Good morning, here, Piggy Piggy. He's always so excited. I love here, Piggy Piggy. Good morning, Fletch. Prayers and blessings. Oh, nice. Thank you for the blessings here, Piggy Piggy. I extend them back to you and everybody listening. Prayers work. I'm telling you right now, 100%. They proved it scientifically, but I don't give a shit. They work anyways. Good morning, Grant. There's Michelle Galinsky. Michelle, I told Mike you were Michelle or something. I threw an email. I'm sorry. Good morning, Michelle Glow. Yeah, hit the like button. I agree, babe. 20 watching, 2 like. Really? Oh, that's a good way for me to be leaving. And y'all know now that I actually will leave. I left yesterday. I'll do it again this morning. By the time I'm done with this, there's only 2 legs. When I'm done with this, I'm gone. I'll be on TikTok only. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Shane. You can just call me Kev. Although I'm old enough to be a mister, I guess. I liked only one, but see, this is why I leave. I'm telling you right now, there's 31 of you. If I don't have at least 10 to 15 likes by the time I'm done with this, I'm out of here. It'll be my shortest YouTube ever. Good morning, Sub-Zero. Good morning, Arginus Luna. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Good morning, Arginus. Good morning, Sub-Zero. I'm making demo money, writing MES. Nice. Kurt Brown, kicking ass, Kurt. Morning, Philio. What's up, Philio? Rock and roll, says John Parker. Sog, what's up, Sog? Keith Palmer. Keith, the man, the myth, the legend is in the house. Oh, my goodness. Thank you for blessing us, Keith. I hope you're doing good this morning. For those of you newbies here, Keith makes everything well, not what you're seeing here. He makes every indicator. He takes my brain and puts it on this screen. It's crazy. He does a fantastic job. He does a good job. I see 17 likes. Nice, Lachey. I work the graveyard shift, so I try to make it. How about we get you retired, Big? Pray to God I can. At least help. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only.
What's up, Techman?
A financial advisor.
I think Techman's been with me 3 years. Techman, have you not been with me 3 years? I think he has. Let's go back to Keith. We'll leave Keith up. Everyone should be thanking the great Keith Palmer. Put some respect on his name. All right, I gotta move this out of here. Jeez, better without that shit. How are my trees? Wow. It's wow. Trade from yesterday, buy US 30.5 at half a lot. Price. We need to put stop loss on that. 42,000 from a few days ago. Go look at NAS. NAS is overtaking gold. What I don't stop loss in. On US 30. Where is it? Hold your horses. I got a slight issue here. US 30. Why am I not seeing the... Hold on. Oh, holy shit. That's why. I was making so much fucking money. Jeez. Oh, pizza. I'm up. How many fucking pips am I up on that US 30? 43,000. How many pips? Hold on. I'm up. Hold on. I can't read it. 800. That's right. It's half. I'm up 860 pips on US 30. What? Is that fucking right? Hold on a second. We'll get back to the regular schedule program in a minute. What? My in was 4. Basically here. Oh my god. That could be 800 pips. Somewhere around there. Oh my, over 860 pips on a day. There were some professional traders, and we have a few that gave up their bullshit ways of trading and joined the system. Wow. Crazy. Oh my gosh. We're almost to the 1 hour blue line. Actually, technically, this is close enough. You can close down your trades. I refer to this as an H and H, close enough trade. It's going to go up above it. I'm just telling you. When it's like this, you see where that's horseshoes and hanger days. Horseshoes means you don't have to be exactly on it and you get a point. Hanger days means you don't have to be close and you'll still get, popped. So I call it the H and H trade. Basically, if you look at it this way, if you stick out your tongue from here to here, you can French kiss that thing. So it's done. Now it's going to keep going up. I'm just telling you that I could very easily close this trade down, but I had multiple trades on this, so I'm going to leave it open. This is my runner, it's called, locked in profit now. Damn. That is awesome. So we have a completion to the 1 hour blue line. It's going to go there. It'll touch it, but absolutely no need for that. See, this is all it takes, guys. This is the blue line, not all of them. Price action is above it, right? This is the blue line. It was 30, and price action was below it the last several days. Still is below it. That's all I need to know. You're welcome. What about what about this? And what about that? And what about if, and what about, and I need to know I'm going to tell you all the bullshit you don't need to know. Mm-mm. 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 This is awesome. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing here? Sure, now I get cold. Last night it was hot as the sun. Mm-mm. 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 Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Old School Mick. Thanks for being on TikTok too. Oh yeah, I'm on TikTok. That's why it says what it says. Richard Graham. I'm only live on TikTok. Go to TikTok, search it. I'm confused. Yeah, I'm on TikTok. Okay, let me go over and see how many people are actually like this, because if we don't have a good number of thumbs up, boy, it's going to be over. Oh, look at you guys go. Yeah. Nice. Nice. 31 likes. Look at you guys go. 33 watching. I'm so proud of you guys. Wow. You can do it. You guys learned a lesson yesterday. I'm proud of you. Yay. Da, 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 da. I give you free signals every day, making tens of thousands of pips a week, and you guys give me a thumbs up. Seems like a fair exchange. Not. It seems like the least you guys can do. Yep. Look at this. How far over on the 1 hours these are. And you didn't think US 30 is going to its 1 hour? Wow. Looky, looky. Sell stop to the 10-second blue line as an NQ. I want to hear it. I hear it. I like hearing my ding, 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 dings. Ding, 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 dings. Ding, 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 dings. Ding, ding, ding. Sell stop NQ to the 10-second blue line. You will see. Price action go down. The space in here will be filled in. The pink line will hook and come down. And that, my friend, all the sell stop. We don't play sell stops around one. These sell stops because they're permanent buys. Ba doop ba doop doop doop. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I don't see it. Had to no. Oh yeah. You know it's 50 over there. Look, let's go down to the 1 second really quick. Yeah, and this is why we don't take sells. I'm telling you, it's still going to go down and do it, but just don't take any sells. It's buy city until the 60-minute blue line. That's just the way it is. Just stay right here. Let me check gold. Gold's a sell. Let me see what gold's doing. Nope, you can't look at gold here. Hold on. Gold. All right, gold, what you got? I love gold. Gold's a permanent buy until otherwise noted. We have gold. How about a permanent buy? It's going to 1 hour blue line on a sell. Sell. Gold. Sell gold. Take profit one. I would never take a sell on gold. Never ever. Never ever, clever. Why is Keith up so early? Easier take profit on gold. 3,115. 1 hour sell stop to gold. I wouldn't take the trade, but you can if you want. I'll be looking up here. Yep. 9 hour buy stop gold. This is the trade I would take personally. I'm not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I am not. Take profit one gold. I have 10-hour buy stop, 3,283. This is a take profit I look. 3,343. And then this one. Right? And that's gold. Love that 10-hour buy stop on gold. Absolutely. Bitcoin. Gee, I wonder where Bitcoin is going, guys. Anybody here knew and told you before it happened? Look at it go. Gee, it's at 96,000. Gee, I wonder if Kev, somewhere in his craziness, called out 80,000. Take profit. Yep. Take profit 1 hit. Take profit 2 hit. Take profit 1 hit. Take profit 2 hit. Take profit 3 hit. Take profit 4 hit. This will hit. These will hit. What's going to do? You're welcome. I can play Bitcoin better than Devil Went Down to Georgia plays fiddle. That's all I'm going to tell you. Devil Went Down to Georgia? Uh-huh. Have you guys never listened to that song or haven't listened to it lately? I swear, probably the best song ever written in the history of the world. Doesn't get enough credit. Tells such a good story. Damn. Remember Johnny? Bet you a fiddle of gold. Sold. I'm the best it's ever been. And the devil cheated, by the way, in that song. There's supposed to be a duel between him and Johnny. And my beautiful wife Breeze wanted to figure that out. As soon as the devil's turn was, he brought in a band of demons to help him and still lost. But no, I can play the fiddle. I can play these charts better than Johnny can play that fiddle. Love it. Where am I with my one? Okay, we're good. You know what I mean? Oh, for the last week or so, I've only had one meal a day. Yes, I didn't eat anything after this meal morning. It's raining out this morning, so I can go do my walk. Run, boy, run. I shared a thought on Discord regarding NAS to the 2 and 4 it touched today. It's awesome system legend. Nice. Old skill, Mick. There you go, buddy. Congratulations. Isn't it great to make your own calls? That's the purpose of what I'm here for, to teach you guys to learn how to fish so you don't need me. Oh, look at that. Yep, NAS to the 2 hour. NQ1, SPX 500, ES1 to their 2 hour blue lines. Gonna let this run. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Good morning, Taraya. I'm gonna let this run. Okay, let's see what my calls were, because I forgot what they were. There it is. This is called out yesterday. The last live I did yesterday. I think it was somewhere around 20. Or did I come back on later? I don't know. There they are. And this is what it's doing. I'm going to do it again. NQ1, let's see what's up. NQ1. Let's see what's up. Oh, NQ1 is up. NAS. Look. Listen. Look. Here's your NQ1. There's the NAS underneath that. Look at these alerts. E1, ES1. Let's go over here to ES1. Oh, look at ES1 up. ES1 up in profit. SPX 500 up in profit, and Q1 up in profit, NAS up in profit, YM1 in profit, US 30 in profit. You're welcome.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Gee, I wonder where they're going. Could it be to this here 4-hour blue line? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What if I did that? No, you guys would be too confused. We'll leave it like this. It's going to be the one to the son of a gun. Da, 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 da. This is the same down that I should do. Hold on, let me do something. I'll try to make it so they're exactly the same if I can. We're going to be here in the rising sun. Da, 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 da. Nope, I don't like that. We got to like that. I'm just trying to get everybody equal so you guys can see where the blue line is. In the rising sun, son of a gun. In the rising sun. There. All right, now this should be close enough. All right. I think that's good. That might be good. There we go. That's good. All right. So now, clearly, yeah, this is better. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Blue line. I stopped half the blue line. Half the blue line. That's what copies. They're literally giving us free US. They don't do this often. You guys need to take advantage of this while they're giving it to us, okay? Let's see. You're welcome, Wolf's Go Mac. That means that the US 30 must go to the blue line on the 2-hour 2 or very near. Kind of, but yes. You just have to go in order. Look at this thing here, look at it go. Damn. Alert. Why? Get off there. Get off there. No. No, 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 no. No. We're not doing that here. Let's see. For why up. Nope, too big. Let's go down here. Oh yeah. Just to take profit after take profit. No point. Everything's a take profit. Everything's going up. Good morning, Matt Parker. Blue line time already played it to the 15-minute. You go, Matt. Congratulations. Yay. Already played it for the 15 seconds. Nice. Oh, man. Oh. News this morning? Any news this morning? Any news this morning? Any news? All right. All right. Where are we at? I think we have enough likes up here. Let me double check that. You guys did a good job with that. You're well over 30. Please keep hitting the like button. Oh my God. 36, 45. Excellent. Good job. You guys are great. Great job. All right. Now, let me get this temperature control. What's up, Rich OBX? Good morning, Rich. Da, 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 da. Man, I gotta play me some. You think they'd put a block on me to play the Jack Daniels song? Why does everybody else get wasted? As soon as I start humming a song, they whatever. Crazy. Crazy. Crazy in love with you. I love my pressure. My anxiety. My anxiety. My anxiety. My anxiety. So cute. Spider-Man. Spidey-Man. Spidey-Man. Whatever a Spidey can. Spins a web any size. Catches thieves. Wow. All right, where we at? Training. No training today. ISM 10 a.m. I'm giving no shit. Thank you, Matt. 8:30 initial job was, well, that might do a little blip. Going through all my notices just in case. Da 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 da. There, we should hear some alarms here shortly. It was a fantastic day yesterday. Looks a little rainy out there. We like the rain. Looks like we're forming a 15-second buy stop. What happens is this: you're going to see the bullshit detector turn to red as we get it over here. So green. This will turn to green. You're going to see this pink line scoot down a little further. Let me draw it for you. Pretend that this is all the colors I just mentioned. You're going to see this blue line come down a little further, like that. You're going to see the pink and purple line hook through like that. You're going to see this turn to green like that, and it's going to go up like that. Then you're going to see price action eventually come down like this, and then it's going to come back up like that. And then you'll see that line hook like that. And price action will go above this line. This is called take profit. And then this will be take profit too. And then I think that about covers it. And that's what it's going to do. But ultimately, we give 2 fucks less about that. It's going over here. This 1 hour is going to change to a green up arrow. Just like that. Just like that. So change. Just like that. That should be sometime today, by the way. I don't know, somewhere. No. Good morning to everybody. All right. I did gold and Bitcoin. I did ES1, SPX 500, NAS, NQ1, YM, and US30. That was good. Now, next up on our fun hit parade, let's go ahead and do XRP. I can already do XRP without even looking at it. XRP, buy stop weekly XRP buy stop. Take profit 1. Gee, I don't know. Let's call it $2.42. Take profit 2, $2.60. Take profit 3, $2.80. Then $3, then $3.20, then $3.60, and then $4 for XRP. Without even looking, Ethereum is a weekly, monthly buy stop. Love Ethereum weekly, monthly buy stop. Gee whiz, damn, first take profit is it 2,000, Larry? Where's Larry been? I think it's 2,000. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Aussie Trader. I have to look at Ethereum. And then it's 2,300, 2,500, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000. And that would be Ethereum. XLM, I don't remember where it's at. Daily buy stop XLM. Buy stop XLM. XLM will be XLM will be a, damn, I don't remember where it's at. Like a 40-cent buy, and then a 60, and then an 80-cent. I do remember the positive. It's an 80-cent. Just call me Magnus Carlson. I really I have to look into shit. Nike, same way. Nike is a 3-week, monthly, 3 month, 6 month, 12-month buy. Prices for Nike though. Dang, you're making me look. Looks like we're some, whoa. Looks like we're some sells here. Yeah. Flipping. Take this. Don't take these. But a NAS to the 5-second blue line. Hold on. And then Q to the 5-second blue line. So let me see. Yeah. Hey, hold on a second. Right. Hold on 1 second. Oh yeah, that's better. That works. Stay though. What am I looking up? Fuck. Oh, I was looking up Nike. Nike. Oh, nice. Nike's a little sell. Oh, let me get out of here. Hold on. Gee, it's hard to remember which one to go to. Here, this is Nike. Nike is, yeah, still sell. All right, let's see where to. There's something to do around a 10, 15 minute mark. No. No. Nike. What the short term shit is, I don't care. It's still a 7-hour sell stop, Nike, to 49.97 to 50. But I don't care about that. This is what I care about. 3 month buy stop. 3 months, 6 months, 12 months Nike buy. Take profit 1, $77. Take profit 2, $90. Take profit 3, 100, 105, 110, 100, and I love 115. Take profit 125. I'm gonna skip it all the way up to 180. Love Nike. Love it. Target. Let's see what Target's doing. Oh my goodness. Yeah. 30 minutes. See how long it's go. 45 minutes. Buy stop. 45 minutes. RJ. 9 hour, 10 hour sell, 12-hour sell, 12-hour daily sell. So Target's got a little more to go down, but I don't care. I still love it. Take profit 1 out of 12-hour sell, $89, $85, $80. Those are your 3. But I don't care. Let's go over where I do love. Let's go over here. She was monthly buy, monthly 3 monthly buy. Target, $110. take profit one. $120, take profit two. $130, $140, $150, and I absolutely adore $170 take profit. And then we'll go back up over $270. I have a feeling they're gonna, I mean, I hope they don't crash it any further, but they're going to crash this further, I think. I think they're just going to try to crush Trump. And then it's going to go up. All these stocks I'm mentioning and all the indices I'm mentioning will be at record highs well before 4 years from now. They'll all be at record highs. So just be clear on that. But I think they're going to smash this down a little bit more. Oh, well. And yes, I'm insinuating and implying 100% that the stock market is manipulated. That's how my system works. The Forex market is manipulated. The stock market is manipulated. That's how I can predict the future with near 100% accuracy. Because it's manipulated. For those of you who think this is fair, would you let $7 trillion a day? That's how much the Forex market is, 7.2 trillion. Would you let it be fairly just whatever randomly happens? No, you manipulate the market too. So you can't argue with them for manipulating the market. But if you think these markets are fair, in my humble opinion, they are 100% manipulated, and I can back that up because every time my high probability trade setups happen, so double money on them. So there you go. You did it. You did it. My anxiety. J&J, baby. J&J. J&A. Wait a second. I gotta go back there. Yeah, there's NAS. The 10-second buy I told you about on NAS did go exactly like I told you. It's in the money. 10-second buy on NAS. In demo.
Only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, J&J, baby. Looks like we're a little selling thing. I don't care about a sell. J&J is a permanent buy. Where's it going to? Maybe here-ish. There. In my underwear. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There's a sell on J&J 7 hour, but I don't care about that. And there's a weekly son of a bitch. There it is. I don't care. All I care is this. J&J. Monthly, 3 monthly buy. I don't care. I just love this trade. Matter of fact, you've already hit the profit 1 and 2. Damn. Well, let it go down while we keep making money. Take profit 3. I think I might even hit my favorite take profit. What the hell is this? Where's J&J? It's down here, but it went up to here. Hell yeah. 160. What was I calling J&J? Hold on. J&J today. J&J. 160. What? 100. Why did they say $1.60? Am my glasses on? I don't even have glasses on. 160, 161. All right, let me see. What is it? It hit. Yeah. It hit 160 point. Oh my God. Take profit 1, 2, 3. I don't know. All the take profit. So that is the hit. J&J will also be going to. That is awesome. It's going to go right back to 160, by the way. 161. And then 165, 170, 175, 180. And it will go past 200 for Johnson & Johnson. You're welcome on that. I told you to take it if I thought about this until this pink line goes up here. All you need to trade is a sniper pink line. This is it. How do I know that? Because my signal service only tracks these. That's all it does. Let me look at Google. My system is called a Google. Oh, that's us. Mm-hmm. Okay, we're Google. Little Google. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop Google. Yep, that's right. No, my signal service is going to stop. I don't talk about it much because I want you all to learn how to trade, but my signal service is 100. Oh, the last time I checked, maybe like 101. So we just called this one. Take profit one, $170. Take profit two, 108. Profit three, and it will go here 188, and then over 106. The pink, purple, across the blue, this will turn back into price action. Will go up. That's where I told you, and that's what's happening. That is Google.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What does ST mean? Safety trade. If it's an up arrow, it's a buy. If it's a down arrow, it's a sell. Good morning, Banner Video. Good morning. Thank you for being so honest, Banner Video. Appreciate you, sir. How many trades get wiped out or don't touch market open? Yet we can trade successfully. Yeah, I know they get wiped out every day. Thank you, old Skolnick. Yes, that's the safety trade. All right. What else we do? Now I called down to the comment, but I want. Yeah, I usually call CVS. Yes, we can stop there. All right. Just so we're clear on the subject. US 30, YM1, EZ, NAS100, NQ1, SPX 500, ES1 is in the game. Gold, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, XLM, Nike, Target, J&J, and CVS, and L, and AMD. They're all permanent buys until otherwise noted. I've just increased your probability of winning by 50%. They're all permanent buys. Listen to me when I'm saying this. They are all permanent buys by stocks until further notice. That means no sell stops. I got to do this, I swear to God. Which means I just helped all of you to eliminate. I'm trying to say this as nicely as I can. Help you eliminate 50% of the pop trade you could make. I.e., you really can't mess it up if only buy stops. I mean, what the fuck? Just think of what I only give you a buy. You can't do a sell. Then how do you lose a trade if you only do a buy stop? Am I not? Does anyone follow my logic here? If I'm telling you they're only permanent buys on gold, and you choose to do a sell, well, that's your dumbass self. But if you choose to do buys, it's only going to go up. How do you guys lose? I don't. Somewhere in the logic is missing with y'all. I'm telling you right now, they're permanent buys until otherwise noted. And then I know some of your stuff you do is sell and you lose money anyways. That's just being silly. Okay. But if I'm telling you it's only buys and you do a buy stop, right? You do the big trade. How do you lose? I'm confused on what y'all are doing. NQ1, baby. Let's see it. NQ1. Yeah, there you go. This is also going to be, this is awesome. And it's going to be NAS in the money and Q1 in the money. Watch this. SPX in the money. Watch this one. ES1 in the money. Oh, baby. My anxiety. Don't like my logic, but I'm sorry. It's true. if I'm telling you to only do buy stop trade only, you can't lose. I don't understand how you would lose. Let me be clear on my logic here. We're going to the 1 hour blue line, right? Oh my gosh, it's kissing it. Look, 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 look. The white line is when I told you to buy. The white line is where I told you to buy, right here. There it is to the 1 hour blue line. That's close enough. I'm sorry, you can close down your trade. That's mine, that. US 30. I'm not going to, but you can. US 30, 40, 43. You guys trade any which way. Look at that. 63,000. With my disco stick, look at this trading. Look at this shit go. Oh, right to the 2 hour blue line on that. Thank you there. Yeah, it's right there too. See? Buy stop SPX to the 2 hour blue line. This is like so easy. How are you guys not making money? I feel like, pray to God you're making money on this. Once yes1. Buy stop to its 2 hour blue line. Listen to me. Can you guys imagine? I left you that is 2 days ago with the buy stop right here at the lowest point possible, and here you are up to here. Wow! So we went from here to here, 200 pips. So that's legendary. ES and FDX. So now we're up to 400 pips between the two of those. But wait, it gets better. We're like to get nice around here. We did the same exact trade on that. So from here to here, 950 pips. That's 1,900 pips because there's those. 1,900 pips. That's for NQ to make 1,900 pips on NQ. NAS. 950, sorry, 19 total. Here we go. YM, and of course, US 30, we got the bottom right here and here. I don't even want to know how much this is. 1,200. Let me take a look at US 30. The exact same thing. Holy shit. So if you add up all, if you don't know what a pip is, just what it is. So 1,200 total. So that's 2,400. 2,900, I fucking calculator. 2,400 plus 900 plus 400. 4,700. Hold on. Since April 29th, 4,700 pips between the indices that we trade. I knew one professional trader and traded over. He called me one time to the show. He had made a grand total of 1,000 pips in 10 years. We just did 4,700 pips in 2 days, and still going, by the way. Holy shit, legendary. Which of these bitches? Grid iron equipment. I don't even see the objects. Oh, I can't. Wow. We got sells to the 3-minute blue line. Will it reverse after 3 minutes? Sell blue line. What's up, John West? Good time to come back, John. You got to see the new shit we got right here. No. This might be a hard up, John. This might not go all the way down to anything. We'll see. It already went down to about the 15 second. I think the 30 second didn't hit him, but it went to the 15 second. We got sells for the 3-minute blue line. Yeah, you already missed some of that, John, but yeah. what I wrote to be specific for you guys. That did exactly what I said it was going to do about it. The next one. There you go. To the 3-minute blue lines, right? It actually is going to go down to the 15-minute blue lines. But unless it's a hard up. And I think it's really hard up is what it looks like to me. We still might get the pullback, but we'll see. It's early. Maybe with some shitty ass news or something like 8:30 or something like that, they might pull it down. You see all the biceps being called out? You see it? Look how gorgeous this is. Skeet rhythm, man. See? Bicep, bicep, bicep. And then it dips. All these turn to red, and then these become bicep, bicep, biceps. This is flawless. Thank you, Keith Palmer, for coding everything. You're a beast. All right. Let's go over here. Just like it's calling. 10-second buy stops, 15-second buy stop, just like it's calling. You can play anything that flashes up there. All right, this is awesome. What a fun morning. Oh, swing on over. Swing on over. And head over to .com and then buy the system. You can use the raw system by itself. I do it every morning, or you can use the sniper. Depends on you. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, this is the Uno reverse blue box. Not catching eight, but it works. When you see the 60-minute bot filled in yet, it will. When we see these turn red, watch. Then we start playing. We look for 5-second sells to the blue line, all indices. We'll just see. We're going to see if these turn to red. See, there you go. Right here. See how they're turning to red. Then we'll wait for this one at 10 seconds to red. Then we'll wait right here 50 seconds. That makes more in order. There you go. Sell NAS to the 5-second blue line. This looks like a freebie. Yep, 5-second blue light for NAS and NQ. You can clearly see that they have a second hit. They will. These will turn to red. Let me be clear on that book. See right there, they're green. And here goes. And I see this over reversal. So you see the reversal how it's happening. That's what you're witnessing right now. There you go. Watch. 5 seconds and then hit. Now we're waiting for the 10-second. 5-second in profit on NAS and NQ live on a 5-second call. Now it's heading down to the 10-second. Watch. Now this price action is going to go down to the 10-second blue line on NAS and NQ. I would never do a sell, never do these sells, never do these sells. But a lot of you are stubborn and like to do sells. I would only let this set up for higher time frame buy stops. I would take these buy stops. But not filling down there. Why is it not what I wanted? There we go. Now we'll right here. This price action is going to go down below this line, then you'll see this flip. Everybody loves this thing. This is how my mind works. I see this happening live, but a lot of you guys that we couldn't see this happening live, we'll see these go to the 10-second. You can see the 15-second in order. This is why this is called the Uno free upgrade given out to anybody that has the rifle. They will be getting this free of charge. No cost. And this thing is like stunningly amazing, and there's no cost. You have the system, the sniper rifle, you're getting this Uno reverse blue box for free. I'm just happy you guys are loving this thing because you guys can see what I see now. For real, you guys don't even need me anymore at this point. Hey, why is my alarm going off? What the fuck? Oh, 8:27. Look, filled in, told you. There is below NAS and NQ. Take profits on the. I should have set my fucking alarm. I should have set my alarm. Let me see NQ. Real quick, we can grab this one. No, we cannot. Next stop will be here. You see how it's doing it? You see how they follow in order? So how do you know when you're at the max going up or down? It'll reverse on the 1 second, then the 5 second, then the 10 seconds, and now look, we're waiting for the 15 seconds. Where the hell is my? Come on now, it's gonna be too late for the alert. Cut this shit out. My God, my night have alerts. We're waiting for these. Like, see how they're red. You see the sniper being checked at all times. And the check mark means the sniper being looked at all times. Never trade out the sniper. Let's go up here to US 30. Maybe we can grab US 31 too. Oh, jeez. I mean, it's right here. It's got some little market. All right, hopefully there's some alerts going off very soon. So we're waiting for NAS and a few of these other ones to go down to its 15-second blue line. I would never do a sell, never do a sell. But, you know, there it is. Yeah, take profit hit. US 30. US 30, guys, there you go. There it is. Now let's wait for NQ and NAS to go below. Look. NQ don't draw now. Wait for this thing once to turn red. We can get to go below, maybe. There's some lows. NQ. There you go. How gorgeous. That's how you trade it. There's your system. Flawless. If I can do this, you can go over to the safetytrade.com and buy the system. If there is news, I forgot somebody said something about news at 8:30. I don't get too fucking. And Q1 crossing. Listen to it go. Listen to the money talk. Damn, I think we broke the system. That was wonderful. That was money talk. I threw it in there just for the end. Oh my God, we broke it. Damn. Banner videos is just by the system. Correct. What's up, Harry? Good morning, Harry. Glad you're back. I like Harry. Harry knows what the fuck he's doing. If Harry said, listen, he'll say, oh, this is the 45-minute back. Here you go. All red. Ding, ding. All red. Look at him. Gas calm down. Gas trade out. Gas told you. Don't buy the system. Go to safety.com. Buy it. Listen to this money talk. There it is. I told you. And that's just what happens. In order. That's how you know if it's done going up or if it's done going down. They flip the 1 second, the 5 second, then it gets a little harder to go to the 30 second. Then it gets a little harder to go to the 1 minute. Then it gets a harder to go to 3 minute, the 5 minute. We should hit the 10 minute today as a guess. Maybe the 15 minutes. We'll see. But they have no what the news would be. Oh, earnings came up because later it'll be fine. So it doesn't matter. How do they explain the sell that's happening right now? Look, listen to the money talk. Money talk. Yeah. I love it for you guys. Listen to that money talk. Listen to that go. Wow. Wow, we bet, man. Wow. Listen to the money talk. Good morning. 69Z28. I think his name is Kevin. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Banner Video. Good morning, Harry. Listen to the money talk. What do you think might happen next, everybody? Right now. What do you think might happen next? There it is. 30 seconds. Look at it. If that's ES1 to the 30-second blue line, ES1 to the 30-second blue line, it's going to go there. Watch. You'll see this one turn red next. Then you're going to see NAS and NQ go to their 30-second. Look, watch this will turn red. Listen to the money talk. See it? There you go. There you go. Now let's go over to NAS. We can look at the sell. Look at that. That must have been news. Look at the sell. Look, I don't even know what's happening. Look. I don't even know what's happening. Just look at it go. Look, watch. These will turn to red next. Oh my gosh. I never play sell, but you can if you wanted to. Look at this shit. Oh my god, whatever shitty news that was. There you go. Listen to that money talk. There it goes. Watch. Here it comes. Here's the red right here. Not Listen to the money talk. Money talk. Listen to the money. There you go. NQ1 and NAS in the money. In the money. Who's in the money? I wouldn't play any of these L's, but I would be taking these buys. 3-minute buy stop to the 60-minute blue line on US 30 for US 30 for NAS, for NQ, for SPX, for ES. It's in the game, baby. Oh, I hope y'all are having some fun today. Today. We're gonna add an alert. We're gonna put the SNAS right here. Alert. There you go. Listen to your money talk. Money talk. Money. This is so much fun. This is so much fun. All right, now never take a sell. We're only in buys. Listen to your money talk. If you can't make some money on the way down, this means that I am too. I'll play it every so often. There it goes. Call to the 3-minute to the 15-minute. Then the buy stops for this is the only one that I would play. I wouldn't do the 12-hour daily, but they're on crush chump for that. And then the weekly buy stops will eventually kick in, and then everybody's gonna be so happy. That might be a while. Look at this. Is exactly what we're waiting for right here. Look, you see. That's all we're waiting for right there. See that? And that is NAS and NQ. This is NAS right here. I'm going to hook it. If it never comes down and engages that, yeah, that's fine. I don't care. So now that I got my alerts there, we can walk away. And see?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
All right, let's move away. Let me check gold. Oh, buy. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line gold. Can we see something? And the same. All right, fine. 30-second buy, stop gold, take profit, whatever. Damn, that's small as fuck. Oh, I know what I did. I made it that small. Oh, that's gonna come back to haunt me. Shit. 3,029. 30-second buy, stop gold. But you know what? Oh, hold on. I gotta go back over here. Let's see. This is gold. Yeah, definitely. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Okay. This gap will fill in right here. Price action will come down. The prime will come down. I don't like the purples for the purple should be high already. It might look back something. There you go. You're already in money, by the way. This will fill in. You won't see a black space anymore. Yeah, the purple isn't up high enough. Yeah, see the purple needs to come up, then it will hook, and then the pink will come down, the purple will come down, this gap will fill in, will come down. That's all. You just have to get more patient on that. What the hell was I? Oh, around gold. Yep, here we go. 30-second buy. So right here we have 15 seconds follow is going to the 30-second. We'll line up all this pink will come stop. The other one, pink will come up. There was a little gap there. That's flipped in, and now it's going to go up towards there. There. Now go up. Then we'll come up. Then we'll touch this blue line. Actually, it'll go up. All right, what are we doing? Cheap viewers, really? Yeah, I thought it was Kevin. Good morning, Kev. Dad on Hot Rod. Hard not to play these little songs when they just give it away. I know. You guys can do it. I'm not saying you can't. I might do it sometimes. I don't know. It is hard, but I don't. I just like to keep it simple for you guys. If it's a buy, don't play the sells because then you're going to get caught. It's going to flip on like a 30-second. One time it's going to go straight up, and then everyone's going to get pissed because they lost money. I'd rather not go down that road. Good night, it's less precious. Night tonight. It's not Thursday. Damn night. Well, interesting. Tonight's not Thursday. Today is Thursday. Oh my gosh. Today is Thursday. I'm over here. Okay. Hold on. Whoa. There we go. Look, there it is. All filled in, all going down. I told you the pink had to come up, the purple had to come up. Pink cross purple into blue. I told you this would fill in. I told you you're in money. It's irregardless whether it hit blue line or not. It went down exactly like it was supposed to. So, and And I'm sure the same is for NQ2. Yep, NQ2, same exact thing. There you go. So I'm drawing it out, I'm telling you it out, I'm playing it out. I'm trading, well, not trading, sell with you. Out. There you go. By the way, through my gold hit 3,000 already. The system is spot on. System. Thank you for speaking up, yeah. And I'm so glad you're doing good. I know you needed it, so that's awesome. It's in the game. Good morning, Crash. The gentleman who hooked us up with the 45-minute trade. So anything that you guys made money on the 40% of it, Crash. Easy. But that was very nice, Crash. Thank you, sir, very much. I believe Crash is a sir. I do not know. Oh, yeah. I'm going to get some more of my vitamins. Vitamin. 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 All right. Just happy to help. Yep, I'm a sir. Good job, Crash. Thank you, sir. Good morning to you, Crash, by the way. Oh, still going to have a touch. It's going to hook, come back up. The pink we're going to come back up. This is going to price action. It's going to hook and come back around. And then maybe finish these 30 seconds. I don't know. But again, let's go back to gold. Oh, and hold on. Let's go back to there. Yes. Let's go over. Oh, yeah. We'll just be patient. Right. Gold seems to be kind of crawling this morning. I'm not sure why. We're playing this rifle. 15 seconds. 30 seconds. This is the 30 second. 15 second, 10 second, 5 second. See, the sniper rifle is just the simplified version of the. Well, reverse. See how it goes? They just flipped. It's just that we're showing all the indices. I see a reversal. I see an ES1, 1 second. Yep. And now I see the SPX 1 second. I'm going to go over to NQ5. Stop to the 1 second blue line. Look. I'm teaching you how to use this. 1 second buy stop to the 1 second blue line. If it goes, for no rush. Let's mark it on a market. This one does flip. Yep. Not in a rush. Yes. Let me go US 30. Okay. Now let me go back to that. Nope. There we go. Maybe I'll see. Right here. Again, we're waiting for the 30 seconds to fill in. But if you want to see about this little buy stop, we'll see. And the way you want to run this is let all the 1 seconds turn green. Uh-oh, not red. Let all the 1 second turn green. And then start playing like these. Then start playing. Hold on, gold. Do exactly as called out. There's gold doing exactly. I told you. Blue. Got the link going through. Gold doing exactly as told. Exactly gold. There you go. Perfect. Got gold. Head over to safetrade.com. If I can do this, you can do this. 575 for the year. Not auto. Look at that crowd. Look at that. Look at that. that. Wow. Wow. Good morning. Little Tide acrylic. Jacob, we're a little of gold this morning. We're having a little fun with NAD and SPX this morning. We're having a little fun with the free upgrade from Bree and I. See, look, hold on, hold these right here. Wait till these flip, and then we're going to come over to here. I want to see these five. In the meantime, we're looking strictly. I want to see this NAS 30 seconds sell. Yeah, now we should start seeing the pink and purple went back up again. Now they're going to hook. The pink will cross it just like it did here. Cross it, come down. Let me see what's wrong. There you go. Then you're going to see this fill in the gap right here. You're going to see this hook come down like this. The price action hook can come down like that. You see these two cross, and then it should hit right about there. And this thing will fill in, so the yellow will cross, just like it did here. Kind of thing. That's your sound. Now that is for NAS and NQ1. But again, I don't play these cells. I'm just patient as a pig in mud. Mark this first. And then all I'm doing is just patiently waiting for the buys to kick in a little bit later. Again, this was all called out yesterday at around. What's my last line? NQ1. See, look. We're waiting for these to do this. Let's check the thing real quick. Yeah, I don't see it. It is reversing that. It's not. Stick for the cells for now. Stick for the cells, but not. And I guess let me check gold over here. Oh, look at the gold smacked it. Look at that. Right there to it. You see that? Right to the line. Perfection. Gold. Let me see the limit. Damn, really? Hell yeah. Buy stop. Lane 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second. Buy stops to the 1 minute blue line of gold. I just always take buys on gold. These sells on gold. Even though I told you to go down and do some shift buy. I don't care. Gold's been permanent buy since 1935. I think we'll leave it there. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Batman. All right. Now, any questions from anybody? Any concerns from anybody? Good morning, little Joe. What's up, everybody on TikTok and YouTube? We have enough likes on YouTube. I'll stay there, but I sure would appreciate some thumbs. Oh, damn. I just finished the drink and I didn't. All right. Any questions from anybody? No. I think it's ankle weights. You know how many ankle weights I bought over my lifetime? Probably 2 dozen. Yeah. That. All right. Precious. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Just asking where you've been, buddy. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Kevin, green and red arrows come on the handle area. Can you play them alone? No, those are. Excuse me. You'll notice that there is no such thing. You take those off. You go under all your training videos. You'll never see anything about it. You come over to here. You want to do your shapes. Those are not used for anything. I used to try to use them, but it's just too confusing to people. They didn't understand. That's a big no there, Kev. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Kim Bernard. Please thank him for doing this for us. Not that. This for us. Not the signals. But here for the announcement stuff. Kev's callouts. Kim does this right here for us. She writes, in case some of you newbies here don't know, every trade I ever do has been documented, and it's been that way for the last month. Oh, we'll come right back. NQ1. There it is. Look. Okay, that's it. Who right here saw me draw this out? Left this picture right here. Look, it did exactly. Oh my gosh! Come on. Look the hook. Look the down. Look, I told you to go into the book. That wasn't just for NQ1. That was for NAS2. Look, same exact. Oh my gosh! Give it up. I want to see some sevens, some thank gods, some yeses, some positive things. I don't know. It did exactly as I drew out for you. Exactly. See the little, see the little hook down. You see the little, this is my little thing, right? Exactly as I drew out for you. You're welcome. You're welcome. And how about you're welcome? Oh my God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Look at it. It's okay. Come on. I want to see some goodness. We better see some thank gods. Head over to the safety trade system. Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Where else? Are you kidding me? And there it is. I did it for you on NQ because you guys do your silly little funded trader stuff. So there it is. Drew it out. Told you what was going to happen. Drew out the sniper. Out the bullshit detector. Drew out price action. action. Wow. Wow. And you guys aren't impressed with that? Give me a break. Let me see some sevens over this. Looks like it goes buy the system. You can't lose. Spend money on food. Yeah, I know, right? People do. What's up, Crypto Creek? I don't like saying Creek though. Good morning, Crypto. We'll call you CC. Good morning, CC. Good morning, Martin Lewis. Yeah, there's some thank guys. Look, I mean, literally. Now, let's show some support for our fellow safety traders. We have Kim, the Candle Envy lady, right here. This is the lady who actually writes down all of my call outs every day. Please support her by going to Candle Envy. These are like natural stuff. She doesn't have any bad smells in it. It's all really good. Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. There. Oh, look at that. You got, I have one. I have one. Oh, my, look. Look, look, look. Look, look. Look. Look how cute. Look at this. $70. It is so cool looking too. Oh my gosh. Is that not cool? Thank you, Kim. Wow. So you guys can come over to her store. Oh my gosh, too cute. Look at that right there. Aw. And it's candleenvy.com is where it is. This is so cool. Money. Hold on, we'll be right back. Who is it? Let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Oh, there goes gold. What do you know? Gold heading to its 1 minute line. Gold heading to its 1 minute line. We're making money on this. Yeah, US 30 gold. Damn. This is crazy good. Anyway, this is where I go. Go over there, buy that, and then look at Blue Tie Crooks, Jacob. He does all kinds of cool stuff. He's the one that makes our neon lights and stuff that we have when I'm back home. He does exceptionally good work. Love his stuff. Richly aligned. Damn. Just knocked over the thing. Sorry about that, people on TikTok. Maybe that's better for you. I'm over there thinking that's just part of the stuff. This is St. Thomas. Let me move this just a little bit. And of course, these are the calls that Kim does for us. You couldn't imagine how much hard work this is for her to have to put down the Bitcoins every day. I do the same thing, and she has to redo all this. But she does a wonderful job. Thank you, Kim. Okay. We'll wait for these 30 seconds. Releasing NAS again. Yeah, it'll go down. Going to do it again. You're going to see it hook down right now. It'll go right through. Look, as I circle them, it did it. Oh my gosh. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Look, and there's my drawings. It looks like that. And next up, still up to the women and by all indices that we trade. Let's go over to the 1 minute and start pulling out some money. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. NQ1 sell stop towards the 1 minute line. NQ1 sell stop towards the line. Now, 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line. 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line. Let's see what else we got. SPX. 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 10-second, 15-second sell stop towards the SPX blue line. ES1 is in the game. Sell stop towards the 1-minute blue line. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to hit it, although I say it is, but the same. There you go. Let's go back up to YM easy. Sell stop towards the 1-minute blue line. This is YM easy. US 30 towards the 1-minute blue line. These guys hit theirs first, by the way, which is unusual. They were trailing yesterday, but you never know. And there we go. And now let's go back here to gold. Yep, of course, just gold. Take profit one will be right here. Gold buy stop, take profit. It won 3,230. Hold on. US 30 heading for this 1-minute. NASDAQ price. Pretty sure we're going to see. We're going to see. US 2 hit it first. We're going to hit it. I'm sorry. US 30 is going to hit it first. There you go. And we're looking for them all to go down. And now you can see it. I'm so glad Keith did this. Thank you, Keith. So you guys can now see how all in order. How the main grounds. Main grounds now. I never there was no buy stops. Remember, I told you these falling, you'll see more buy stops. So if we go over to the 10-minute, you're going to see a 10-minute buy stop. So let's go over to a 10-minute. And you're going to, yeah, it is. And there's your buy stop. There you go. And there it is. And stop US 30. I'll put in my buys. Take profit 1, 40,903. Take profit 1. Take profit 2, 40,963. And then we're just going to throw the take profit above here. And back here. And we're going to go to YM. Easy. Easy. We have a 10-minute buy stop. And as it falls down, follow it down further, because that's what we do. It's rule number 7. Take profit 1 was whatever. Take profit 2 will be right here. 41,056. Take profit 3 will be beautiful. I love this. Take profit 3, 41,091, and then we're going to throw one right above. All right, let's go down to here. I see 15-minute on SPXs. So let's go over to S1. We're going to go to the 15-minute. It is 15-minute buy stop. Take profit normal right here. As this is going down, I'm calling out the buys that will happen later today. I think I was right about the 2 o'clock time. By the way, this man. They always make that move around 2:30 if it's not. That's what they do. They only have some matrix SPX. Spread that out. 15-minute buy SPX. Take profit 1, 5,624. Take profit 2. I don't know, but to cook. There you go. 5,629. And then take profit 3 will be above. Now, we already do NQ. Yeah, we did not. So let's go down to the 10-minute. Yeah, much better. 10-minute buy stop NQ. $19,000. That's one. That's one. ES1 is going down to 1-minute line. ES1 is going down to 1-minute blue line. Yeah, we're getting super close with the shit. Whether it hits the 1-minute blue line or not is irrelevant. It's made you money. It's called an H&H sell. It's just, it made a shift from here to here, that little bit right here. You're up. You're up. That's 100. Go the that's 100. That's 100 is down to 6. We're so welcome, everybody. Hope you all have fun. Hope you all head over here, buy the system. SafeToTrade.com. 575 for the year, non-audit. I believe non-audit draws, unless you like our system using Snipe or something. Those are on audit draws. Oh, Ario. 4,700 pips made by the club. Well, a little less than that now, I guess. But how much time we got left? Oh, look at that. Nice one. It's been a fast one. Yes, it was kind of slow. It was a good morning. Just slow. I would look for a buy at market open in 24 minutes. I would look for a buy at market open. I would look for buys on all indices, all 6 indices. We're looking for a buy at market open. If it turns into a sell and we can't get into the trade, we'll wait patiently because that's what we do. Yeah, yesterday, you guys were all, oh, Cab, this did up. And then it went up 900 pips in a day. Unheard, really a lot. US 30 is about 300 to 350 daily average. They have the average, someone can Google that, but I'm just telling you from experience, that's what it is. 900 is fucking insane. Got one message over here. Crypto C, what's up, Crypto C? Kips Grant, they are, yep. Richard Grant, touchdown, yep. Keith Palmer. That's so freaking cool. What's up, Keith? The man, the myth, the legend. Every time it comes on, I embarrass myself, but I don't care. He's so good. Anthony Villabosa, Tony, what's up, Coach? Keith's the one who makes all this cool shit you're witnessing. This is Keith. He takes my mind and pulls it into this stuff. It's utterly amazing. He's made this, he made this, he made the sniper, he made the blue box, he made the rifle over here. Right here, he made the rifle for us. He does the train track for us. Evidently, oh, I see a chink in our armor. I see a chink. Oh, whoop. Wait for all these to turn green. Remember, we're waiting for these to turn green. That's how we know there'll be a possibility of reversal. It's right here. And then we got to see a few of these turn green. The second one, the 5 minute right there. Just wait patiently. I see some things. I don't think it's ready to go yet. I think it's going to flip and go back down to 30 seconds. We're just paying attention. We're just paying attention. Teaching how to use this beautiful creature that Keith pulled out of my brain. Keith, the man, the myth, the legend. He's a good fellow. He's just a good man. Y'all should be thanking him night and day for what he does. That's how we know these are going to be done. But I'm not comfortable with this. I don't think it's done yet. Maybe we are getting closer to market open. I'd only play buy stops if I were you. That's all I would play, or buy stops. That is it. Speaking. All right, here we go. I still say we're going to head towards that 1 minute buy. I don't think we're done with the sells yet. Even though it's getting a little late. I mean, we're getting close to market open. 21 minutes to market open. Please do not play market open. Demo trade only. Lock in your profits. And when I move in and out, if you're on YouTube or something, there's a delay. I can be in and out of a trade in 10 seconds. So be careful if you're trying to listen on YouTube, okay?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Da, 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 da. Buy, stop all indices. NAS, buy to the 60 line of US 30. NQ1, ES1, and YM1, buy to the 60-minute blue line of US 30. US 30, NAS, and SPX, buy stops to the demo buy only to the US 30 60-minute blue line. Let's go over to the 5 seconds to see what I still say we're not done with it one day, but you never know. A buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. This is NAS and NQ1. Da, 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 da. 5-second buy stop to the blue NQ1. SPX 500 buy stop to the blue line. 5-second SPX 500. ES1, it's in the game. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. YM1 easy. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. I just think they're going to hook it and then pull it back. US 30, I can pull this down and then okay, back up for a second. Buy stop US 30 to the 5-second blue line. See what happened? See how the 1 seconds all turned green. You all saw the 1 seconds turn green. And then you just wait for 1 or 2 of these to pop over to green, right? And then you start making your 5-second buys to the that aren't there. 7s, if you understand the reversal, call it a reversal. So we know when it's starting to hook to come back up. But I'm not comfortable with this yet. You can play it 5-second buy. Paid very well. Yep, there it goes. NQ1, it's money to the blue line. NQ1 to the blue 5-second line. In the money. That is perfection. I'm sure you see NAS. NAS did it too. Come back down again and look and come up. Let me see if SPX is following. It should. Nope. Yep. Plenty of time for SPX and ES1 for the buys. Plenty of time. Good morning, Keith. God bless you. Yep. Good morning, Keith. NFP tomorrow, baby. NFP tomorrow. Sounds good. NFP, that is on Friday. That's when they usually do. Actually, that's right. First Friday of the month or something. May 30. That's going to be fun. We'll make sure tons of money on that call. More news at 10 a.m. Manufacturing pay. My ash usually Elizabeth. Thank you, Techland. And good morning, Tony. Good morning, Crypto C. And they're pretty, and they're actually not bad for you. They're healthier candidates. Kim Kardashian, obviously. Oh, look, let's go. 32 people on TikTok. People are starting to catch on. 60 people there. Oh my goodness, we're up over 120 people watching live right now. That's pretty good. All right, I'm fully expecting a buy stop in 16 minutes at market open. Market open, do not play it. If you're going to play it, demo trade only. If you're going to play it, lock in any profit you have. And if you're going to play it, you better be fast. You better be furious because I get out of those trades quickly.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, History of Wildlife Girl. Good morning. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Larry Cooper, Techman, and Tony Villalobos, and Crypto C and Persistent and Richard, Graham and Keith, comma. Oh, I gotta take that down. Oh, it is off. Okay, good. Oh, it was off. God bless Keith. Yeah. I don't know why. I just have that feeling we're not done with the 1 minute line. We can be, might very well be done with the 1 minute blue line, but I don't know. Let's just see how that. How much time we got left? Yeah, 15, 16 minutes. I'm not going over to controls. Just trying to. All right. Anybody have any questions while we're waiting for the paint to dry here? Any questions? Anybody have any questions? I do know the buys on US 30 are in money. Does not first histogram have to be green if you're playing the 5-second buy stop? This is first histogram. Well, the histogram bars are these, and I'm confused. Yeah, it has to be a buy stop. Green, red. Well, this is a broken block, but a buy stop. So yeah, the first histogram, yes, they have to be green. 100%. 100% yes. Something singing. Oh, no. The Denver Hills. Let's see what's going on the gold. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Go. Yep, gold to buy stop. 3 bars. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Buy stop. And these histogram bars are all right here. She goes. There it goes. And it's going to 1 minute. Gold to Denver Hill. Try to keep up in the call. All right. You're welcome, Kev. Gold, says William. What's his face then? God knows, please, gold in the morning. Where did he go? I think what happens is everybody gets good, and then they just kind of fade off the rise. That's fair. No, I don't want to keep saying that line, but it's fair. That's fair. Da, 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 da.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
No, trade only. Da, da, da. Things that make you say, That is a really strong move right there. All right, gold buy stop towards the 1 minute blue line. Gold buys are always a great, fantastic idea. And yes, I see that there's a 15-minute sell. You know, there's a 15-minute sell to the 30-minute blue line. Sell gold 3,169. I would never play a sell on gold, but you can if you want to. Strictly go right up here. Was 7 or 9 hours, so 9-hour buy stop gold. Oh, hold on. Oh, look. Man's in the money. Man's in the money. Yes, in the money. Oh, shit, I think all mine are. All in one. All in the money. All in the money. 570, 1,000, 1,000 of my US 3. I'm going to close a couple of those down. I'm going to close this one. This one. All right. I have one US 30 trade open. There you go. 5 seconds of all fall in. We're waiting for the US 30 next to fall. There you go. Buy stop US 30 to the blue line. Are you kidding me? Are you telling me that Yeezy's falling? No. I am 1 to the 5-second blue line. Just be patient. Look at that gorgeous. This is a 4 market open. Why do you guys even play market open? Is a concern to me. I like you guys are greedy. We've already made so much money. SPXES. I don't understand. You have hook, ricochet, buy, stop to back to the blue line. You will see these two fall back into green right here, green and gray. There you go. This is going to hook also. This is ES1 watch. You're going to see the hook ricochet. It's called like that. You're going to see this come up and fill in. You're going to see this cross right here. After this cross is right here, you'll see the fill in. You'll see price come up. And let me mark that. Where were we? Sorry. Let's go back. Yeah, we're back over to the yeah, it's a little cleaner. Or not, buy stop 5. So look, it's showing 5-second buy stop on all. I don't know why I just 30 seconds. Oh shit! I think I'm wrong. There it is. I am wrong. Look, there it is. Here's the hook on SPX. Here it is on ES1. Let's go to US 30 now. US 30 is US 30 buy stop. 5-second blue line. We have a buy stop US 30. Also Y1 to its 30 just 5-second blue line. Oh, this is great. Look at how easy this money is. When they give you this, nope. When they give you this, yeah. Or like the SPX, that hook right here when it was a buy, that's just free. Green, red, green, buy stop. Blue line. Easy money. Now we'll see where other things go. These all flipped. We're waiting for these ones to flip. They're going to pull something down and open. I just know they are. Whether it's NAS or whether it's US 30, they're going to pull one of these down and open. So please be ready for that. I just don't know how much you got to get caught. Locking your profits. I don't know why. I just have this feeling one of them is going to be pulled. They're going to do a stupid little pullback, and then we'll just get it again, and yay. All right, we're making money left, right, only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Saw just can't believe my eyes. That's funny, sorry. Are we gonna break the 5-minute entry? Cells? I'm in the 5 cells. Thank you. Why would you be in 5-minute cells? We haven't even done the 30-second ones. It goes in order, William. You're not supposed to do any shit. Okay. Kid gloves are off. How many times do I have to fucking say? Jesus. Wow. Okay, show of hands. Sevens if I said do not take any cells on any of these indices. Sevens. Show of 7. Type in if you might have heard that before. Jesus, fuck me. And also, if you were silly enough to take a cell, then they go in order. I'm not saying he's not going to make money. I'm saying 30-second needs to go first, then 1 minute, then 5 minutes, 3 minutes technically, 3 minute, then 5 minute, etc. I don't even want to be in. Everyone just gives it. That's just so lost. How much more can I possibly say? How much more? What's up, Andrew Frejo? What's up, Andrew on TikTok? I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I'm just done. So no, you shouldn't be in a 5-minute cell. You should not fucking be in a 5-minute cell. Not to mention, it's flipping over right now. Any buys? Jesus fuck me. Yeah, but you should be in a 5-minute cell. No. 5-second buy stop US 30 to the blue line. Jesus. Fuck. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. I'm so disappointed. How many times do I have to say this? 5-second buy stop to the blue line. Let me see SPX. US 30. It's going to go right back over. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line. You should only be looking for these buys. You should only be playing the buys. I fucking say this fucking every day. God. Whatever. Hey, you guys are grown adults. Make your own damn dumbass fucking decisions. I can't help it. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. I'm just here over and over every fucking day. Let's hope to God's sake that there's a pullback like I think there might be, and that'll save fast. Because otherwise, wow, no, let's tell you. We're actually only playing. Let me be clear. I wrote this out yesterday. Let me be clear. It's like US 30. Hold on. All right. Now, all we're going to look for at open is market open in a minute and a half. All we're going to do is pray it dips down for whoever just had that sell, and then we're going to look at buys. Buy stop. Let me go over here. All indices market open buy stop to the 1 hour blue line of US 30. One minute to market open. Don't play market open. If you're going to play market open, you've got to move fast and you've got to move furiously. These are buys only at market open. Only put in your buy stops only, demo trade only. Don't take any trades. I'm not doing sell to save your life. Even if it dips, I'm going to tell you when to get in after it gets dipped. All right. Buy stop only. Just wait for this. Let's pray for a dip for whoever did that sell stop. But as a point, it's a buy stop only. If it doesn't go up, I don't take the trade. We'll follow it down. Better hope my feelings right that it's going to go down to that 1 minute mark. Market open. Just hang loose. Buys on NAS are all in the money. Buys and NAS are all in the money. You can close those trades down. YM1, YM1. US 30 in the money. YM1 in the money. NAS was in the money. Let me see SPX. There you go. Let's see if we can get this hook down. Buy stop NQ. Buy stop NQ1. Buy stop. Right here. Take profit will be right here. Back out of this. Buy stop. I knew. Look for 1 minute. What did it smell like? Take profit 1 minute right here. Yeah, you don't have to take these sells. Got to take some sells. Just make this like yeah, make be patient. Let me get this. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Take profit on the selling and you want it there. US 2 gets flipped. It's now at the 1 minute. At the 30 seconds. 1 minute sell YM is already this switch. I just knew they were coming. You'll see this one turn right here shortly. NAS go all the way down. Wait, NAS buy stop. NAS buy stop. Just be patient. Let these fall. Sell 3 indices to 1 minute blue line. I don't like it. 2 buys. Just consider this. Wait. Just be patient. 10 seconds. 15 seconds. Yeah, just be patient. I'm gonna 5 minute buy stop. All indices. 5 minute buy stop. All indices. Yeah, this is a good one right there. Take profit 1 for NAS. I already hit it. Take profit 2 is 19,889. Take profit 3 is 19,898. Take profit 4 is 19,909. NQ 100. Following down, if these keep going down, it will go up past 20,000 and a little bit later today. Not by 10:30, by 2:30. SPX 500. It's a little higher. 15-minute buy stop. SPX 500. Take profit 1. 5,622. Take profit 2. You can follow these down. Feel free if you want to take the downs. I'm not doing it. I only about to do the buy. 5,000. Can't read it. 5,629. ES1 is in the game. Take profit. 5,000. 5,650. I love to take profit of 5,652, and it will eventually go past here, 5,660. YM1, it is a 15-minute buy. Do it. Just tell where was it about to take profit 1, 41,044. Take profit 2, and I love this take profit 2, 41,086, and it's going to flip over here. And then let's go over to US 30, the last one, maybe. And it is also a 15-minute buy. You can just see where it was heading to those buys. Yep, to 15-minute buys. Okay, let's go. US 30, 15-minute buy. Just be patient. And if it goes down much, it'll turn into a 30-minute. Just follow it. 40,903. Damn. 40,941. And 40,983. Your take profits on a 15-minute buy on US 30. Don't forget, everybody, let's head over to this one right here. We are looking only, and I mean only for 1 hour buy stops to the blue line for US 30. It's giving you guys another chance for entry right here. You can clearly see it's the logo is gorgeous on US 30. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. Buy stop US 30 there. Buy stop US 30 here. And buy stop to the blue line on US 30, 1 hour. I love this trade. Easy money, just like the 45-minute yesterday, just like the 30-minute the day before. This is absolutely easy money for you. Let's go ahead and go out of these. We're going to go over to US 30. Okay. Buy stop US 30. Let me go ahead and reiterate what I've already said multiple times. We can just reuse this. I don't we're going to go all the way down to the 15-minute, but you can follow it and see. I don't think so. Now, some kind of news. But then I would look for the buy stops. Towards the 60-minute blue line, and I think it'll touch the 60-minute blue line of US 30. These are all in. These 12 daily sell. Oh, US 30 is already going up. US 30 is already going up. Oh shit, yeah. US 30 is already going up. You can put it down pretty right. Those are my US 35. I guess what do you think? Those are US 35. So here's what we take. I'm going to close down a couple of those trades. There we go. Lock in profit. I've got any ones. There you go. That was US 30. A nice little push up right there. And it's going to keep going up. This is going to be bigger trade right here. There you go. US 30. There it is. There you go. Perfect. I'm going to close down the 2 trades. I'm going to leave this. There you go. All right. Now look right here. It's kind of here. Allow that. This is a NAS buy. NAS 1 second buy. NAS 1 second buy. Let me go over 1 second. And yep, it's got money actually. NAS 1 second in the money. Why is it saying it's below? Oh, not a right symbol. That's funny. Oh, okay, that's fine. Looks like, yeah, no, I'm still good. I'm going to go to US 30. You watch that US 30. I'm telling you, out of all the US 30 is the best. You should be golden. All right, got to go. All right, TikTokers, God bless. Great morning. I should be on later today. I think I'll be on later today. We'll see. See ya. All right. YouTubers. Kev, nice crash out. I'm talking about. Well, that's really good, William. Don't you fucking say you're talking about shit. Oh my god. As I'm trying to help you, you say that. Fuck off. I'm never helping you again. Get the fuck out of here. What's up, Medicaid company? The gold coach. Fuck out of here. What's up, Jim? All right, guys. Hope you all money and hope you're great. I'm out the fucking doors. I don't need that shit. See you, bro. Okay, fuck this.